just me. I'm so high in heaven, smoking on this weed. Told him go take a shot on 3. Told him drinks, it's on me. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Delilah Ferrari if you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, boo? Today I am here with a makeup tutorial. This is my everyday makeup tutorial, just a little update on what I use. I still use the same products. You guys are gonna enjoy this. This is a bomb video, you guys. I took my time. I put on the lashes, I did my eyebrows. I just want to teach you. So by watching this video, you're gonna get some really cool techniques and affordable products. This was super easy and super fun to do. All the products will be listed down in the description box below, so don't forget to go and visit that. I'll try to find you guys links and all, but if I don't forget to visit your Walmart or Target or CVS, any drugstore, beauty supply store, to buy these products, you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alrighty guys, I'm just gonna do a quick voiceover to let you know what I'm doing. I'm still battling between doing my eyebrows in the beginning of my makeup or towards the end. I was recently doing it at the end of my makeup, but now I just started doing it in the beginning, and it's just been doing its thing, you know, just better, flawless makeup look when I do it first, if you get what I'm trying to say. So I just use any dollar eyebrow pencil at the beauty supply store. It's affordable. It's an affordable makeup tutorial. Now I'm going in with the Born This Way. This is the color Cookie. You guys, this color is very light. I like to use it for my brow bone to sculpture out my eyebrows, you guys. And take your time with a flat head brush like this. It don't have to be angled. This one is more of a circled pattern flat head brush. Here I'm talking to someone, so y'all see that. But yeah, just sculpt out your eyebrows. Give yourself that nice arch that you desire. When we go get our eyebrows waxed at the nail salons, they be messing up our eyebrows. So thank God to makeup, because you can make your own arch. Now I'm gonna start with foundation. This is the Maybelline 24-hour foundation. This is in the color Coconut. This color is so beautiful on my skin, you guys. And it also oxidized, so it might look a little orangey now, but once it like really seeps into your pores and like into your skin, it starts to look like your natural color. It's so amazing. I'm using a damp beauty blender also to get this all over my face. And also don't forget to get your neck. Now I'm gonna go back in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I love this concealer, you guys. This is in the color Cookie. You know who put me on? The infamous Aaliyah J. I love her makeup tutorials, and ever since she said this concealer does its thing, I went ahead and I bought it myself, because I've been watching her for a very long time. And I also recently started using LA Pro Girl Warm Honey with my Born This Way Too Faced concealer. Use this method, you guys. Don't be afraid to mix and match your makeup. You're an artist. It's just like paint, okay? Now put your concealer in just the T-zone area and watch how flawless your makeup come out. Now you guys, I rave about this Black Radiance True Complexion Medium to Dark palette. It has 3-in-1, you guys. It's the contour, which is what we're about to do right now. I like to use a medium-sized flat head brush to contour out my cheeks, because they work in a specific area. That brush is the perfect size to work in a specific area you want to contour. And I like to use kind of like a heavy amount of dark contour, just so that it can, like, you know, give me a sculpture face. I want to look like my face is snatched, you know. Now I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow brush and the same dark color from my Black Radiance palette. And I'm going to contour my nose. I want to try to have, like, you know, a slim nose, you know, snatched.
So using an eyeshadow brush helps because it's nice and small and it get the areas perfectly. I like a high definition snatch nose, so I go over it with my concealer again and my damp beauty blender just to get, like, you know, the perfect carved out snatched nose, okay? So like I said, Black Radiance has 3 in 1. It has the contour, and now we're going to sculpt. This brown color in the middle, as you can see, honey, I'm hitting pan, and it works wonders, guys. It's like super brown and perfect for the brown girls. I'm going in with my Airspun translucent powder. This is the extra translucent. Airspun smells good and does the job, you guys. It gives off a little white cast, but if you use a wet damp beauty blender like I'm doing now, your Airspun powder would not look white. I promise you guys. Just keep tapping, 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 and it lasts all day. I never get oily, and I am oily girl, okay? Everyone always asks me, how come my makeup is always so flawless? It's the Airspun powder, honestly, because it is translucent, you guys. It is oxidized, I guess, so it like matches the brown foundation and everything well. I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is a loose powder, the number 30. This powder is a little bit more brown. I like to use it right underneath my jawline area and to also contour out my face. Look how brown my face look, y'all. Tell me my face don't look brown. And don't forget to get your neck. I also contoured my neck right here. Yes, contour that jawline, honey. Make your face look snatched. You want that Kim K look. And also throw in a little butt chin. We're gonna go in with our black e.l.f. eyeliner. This eyeliner is more on the paintbrush type of eyeliner. I believe it was about $2 or $3. And I love this eye look because you can really snatch your eyes, guys. You can really get that cat look, that mysterious, that submissive cat look. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I love it so much. Aaliyah J also do this. You know, growing up, I used to watch Aaliyah J makeup videos all the time, and I love the way she do her eyeliner, so I kind of got that from her, and I stuck beside it for many, many years. And yeah, look how flawless that eyeliner is sitting on my eyes, y'all. Beautiful. Now I'm going to go in with my Black Revolution mascara. I like to put mascara on the top of my lashes and on the bottom lashes because you want to have that pop look. You want to extend your lashes, guys. The lashes I'm wearing today is going to be paired with weave glue. Yes, this is the 30-second salon weave glue. Yes, the regular glue we glue to our tracks. Yes, it is. And these lashes are from, I believe, Amazon, you guys. I got so many beautiful compliments about these lashes, and I'm gonna try to find a link. It's either from Amazon or AliExpress. If I don't have the link below, it's because I didn't find it, because I buy so many lashes, and I'm also going to be starting to sell lashes because I have lashes like these. Like, I like to find the perfect lashes to, you know, give out to you guys, even if it's a giveaway or just to sell to you so you can be beautiful and flawless. So you guys, I have a beauty mark right here, and I wanted to emphasize it a little bit more, so I just used my pencil, the same pencil I use for my eyebrows, because this is an affordable makeup look. Like, you gotta use what you got, you feel me? So I'm going to outline my lips like you see me doing right here, and then I like to smudge it by just putting my lips together like this. Going back in with the Black Radiance contour palette, we can't forget there's a step 3 on that palette now. That's the highlighter. That highlighter is so fire. Look at this. Pigment. and I'm barely using any because I don't like to put too much, because I was never a highlighter type of girl. But now that I found this palette, I just been highlighting all over my face because it gives a nice light shimmery for the girls, you know. Now I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. Their lip gloss is so fire and nice and soft. Look at that, beautiful. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. This was my everyday makeup routine. Every day I literally do the same steps over and over, and it takes me about 15 minutes. It's a super quick process. I hope you did enjoy the voiceover and all of that good stuff, you guys. Don't forget to comment down below and like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you was digging this. Thank you so much again for watching my everyday makeup tutorial, and I'll see you in my next one.
Just me. I'm so high in here from smoking on this weed. Told I'm gonna take a shot on